Question 1. What does SSM stand for? The correct answer is C, AWS Systems Manager. Question 2. What is AWS Systems Manager? The correct answer is B, Unified Management Service. Question 3. What is SSM agent? The correct answer is B, software on EC2 instances. Question 4. What is parameter store? The correct answer is B, configuration and secret storage. Question 5. What is the maximum size of a standard parameter? The correct answer is B, 4 kilobytes. Question 6. What is the maximum size of an advanced parameter? The correct answer is B, 8 kilobytes. Question 7. What parameter types does parameter store support? The correct answer is C, string, string list, secure string. Question 8. What is secure string parameter? The correct answer is B, KMS encrypted parameter. Question 9. What is session manager? The correct answer is B, interactive shell access. Question 10. Does session manager require SSH? The correct answer is B, no. Question 11. What is run command? The correct answer is B, execute commands remotely. Question 12. What is a systems manager document? The correct answer is B, automation script/command. Question 13. What is patch manager? The correct answer is B, OS and software patching. Question 14. What is a patch baseline? The correct answer is B, rules for patch approval. Question 15. What is maintenance windows? The correct answer is B, scheduled task execution. Question 16. What is state manager? The correct answer is B, maintain instance configuration. Question 17. What is automation? The correct answer is B, automated workflows. Question 18. What is inventory? The correct answer is B, collect instance metadata. Question 19. What is compliance? The correct answer is B, patch and config compliance. Question 20. What is OpsCenter? The correct answer is B, operational issue management. Question 21. What is an ops item? The correct answer is B, operational work item. Question 22. What is distributor? The correct answer is B, package distribution. Question 23. What is fleet manager? The correct answer is B, manage instances in console. Question 24. What is change manager? The correct answer is B, change request workflow. Question 25. What is application manager? The correct answer is B, application operations management. Question 26. What is app config? The correct answer is B, application configuration. Question 27. Does SSM agent come pre-installed on Amazon Linux? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 28. What is the cost of parameter store standard? The correct answer is B, free. Question 29. What is the cost of parameter store advanced? The correct answer is B, 5 cents per parameter per month. Question 30. What is parameter hierarchy? The correct answer is B, organize with paths. Question 31. What is parameter versioning? The correct answer is B, track parameter changes. Question 32. What is parameter policy? The correct answer is B, expiration and notification. Question 33. Can parameter store integrate with Secrets Manager? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 34. What is the maximum parameters per account? The correct answer is C, 100,000. Question 35. What is Session Manager logging? The correct answer is B, CloudWatch and S3. Question 36. Does Session Manager support port forwarding? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 37. What is run command rate limit? The correct answer is B, 100 per second. Question 38. What is a managed instance? The correct answer is B, any instance with SSM agent. Question 39. Can SSM manage on-premises servers? The correct answer is B, yes, with hybrid activation. Question 40. What is hybrid activation? The correct answer is B, register on-premises servers. Question 41. What is the maximum document size? The correct answer is C, 64 kilobytes. Question 42. What document formats are supported? The correct answer is C, JSON and YAML. Question 43. What is a command document? The correct answer is B, run command document. Question 44. What is an automation document? The correct answer is B, workflow automation. Question 45. Does Patch Manager support Windows? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 46. Does Patch Manager support Linux? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 47. What is Patch Group? The correct answer is B, tag-based instance grouping. Question 48. What is State Manager Association? The correct answer is B, apply document to instances. Question 49. Can automation integrate with Lambda? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 50. What is Systems Manager pricing based on? The correct answer is B, feature-based, some free. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.